Today, I am going to explain a very important topic, that is the proper way of uploading a YouTube video so that you can get enough views and subscribers. So, I will explain this from my long experience. Actually, I am the owner of a digital marketing company, that is SD Solutions. From my experience, I will share how to upload a video properly. Just follow this video without skipping. I will explain it step by step so that you can get enough views from your videos and the proper way of uploading YouTube videos. Let us start. Please subscribe my channel, that is Sukanta Tech Adda, so that you can get all updated information from our site. Let us start. Thank you. First, we have to log into our YouTube channel, and after that we have to go to the right hand top corner and click on the icon. When we will click on that icon, profile icon, after that we will get a link, that is YouTube Studio. Just click on that. Now a new page is opening, that is studio.youtube.com, and there is written channel dashboard. When channel dashboard is opened, you can see in the right hand top corner a arrow sign which is showing the upload videos. Just I will click on that upload videos arrow. A page will be opened. From here we will click on select files. When I will click on select files, a new folder will be opened. From there you can choose a video, attitude of everything, title video, and click on open. When I will click on open, then that video will start uploading. After that we have to put all the necessary things like title, descriptions, thumbnail, tags, everything. And I will start from here, from the title. It is very important, which is the topic of the video. So here I will write attitude. Attitude is EVERY, every, THING, like this. After that I can write another thing, that is create mindset, like this. After that we can put some one or two hashtags like attitude, and another is mindset. I can select from here also mindset. In this way I can write a proper title like this, but it should be within 70 characters, which is recommended. Here it is space is given for us for 100 characters, but I have completed here within 59 characters. After that I will copy this title, and from here I am copying this title and paste in the description section. Just I will paste this one. After that I can put another hashtag, that is attitude, attitude is EVERY, THING. Attitude is everything is the third tag. In this way I can put 2 to 3 tags over here in the description part. After that you have to put something which is the related to the video description rather. Here I will write here I will describe about our about attitude, attitude, and also mind set. In this way you can describe your about your video. After that you have to give something, that is the channel description detailed. I have already written this one, just I am showing you. In this way I have already written the channel description. From here I will copy this channel description and also tags for the channel description, like this. Just I am copying from here. In this way you can put this portion into your description box. In this way you can copy, you can paste the channel description and the all related links and some tags here. Actually these are all keywords, so we can write here QUERIES in this way, queries, but we don't use any comma over here, then it will be a problematic. So just how I have written, you have to put all these keywords in this way, just line after line without using any comma. After that, this is the second portion, it is completed. You can write another 10 or 15 keywords because you have a space up to 5000 characters over here which is showing, but it is around, you have completed around 500, 1500, 1490 characters only. So there is enough space to write another keywords also over here. So you can put another 10-15 keywords here. So in this way you can complete the description section. After that you have to go to thumbnail portion. From thumbnail portion, if you have made any thumbnail, you have to upload this thumbnail from here. Just click on upload thumbnail. When I will click on upload thumbnail from our desktop, I will choose this one, this image, and just click on open. It will be selected over here. In this way I can set a thumbnail in this video. After that you have to go to playlist. You have to select a playlist from your for your video which is related to that video, the playlist. Like attitude is everything, it is related to psychology playlist. So I will select the psychology playlist here and just click on done. The playlist section is completed. After that I will go to audience portion. There is two options. Yes, it is, this video is made for kids, or no, it is not made for kids. So I will select the second one, no, it is not made for kids. After that you don't have to do anything, just as it is, keep as it is ticked. Allow automatic chapters and key moments, allow automatic places, it will be all tick condition. Allow automatic concepts, it will be all tick condition. But we have to do something in this portion, tag portion. So I will put some tag here, like 10-15 tags. Just I am putting one tag, just to show you. Attitude is a one tag. Just press a comma button, it will be taken like this. Like another tag, mind set, just press after that a comma, it will be taken. Number 3, attitude is EVERY, every, PHING, everything. Just press again the comma button, it will be taken. In this way you can put minimum 10 to 15 tags over here. So you will get total 500 characters in this portion. Within this you have to put all tags. So after completing this tag portion, then we have to go to video language portion. As this video is a Bengali language based video, so I have to choose the video language as Bengali. So from here I have to choose Bengali. Bangla India, this one. After that, caption certification none, recording date, video location, you don't have to do anything, and license is standard YouTube license, it is correct. And there is two tick portion, that is allow embedding and publish your subscriptions feed and notify subscriptions. These two lines will be ticked. After that, shorts remixing, you can allow video and audio remixing, or you allow only audio remixing or don't allow remix, that is up to you, but it is recommended to tick the first one, allow video and audio remixing. After that, you have to choose category. It is showing here the entertainment, but we have to choose as it is related to another category. So attitude is everything, video is related to another category, so it will be selected to it. I have to select the education category for this video. So after that, you don't have to do anything, type none, you don't have to do anything in this portion. And academic system India, it is right. And after that, comment and rating, allow all comments, that is also up to you. Hold potentially inappropriate comments or hold all comments for review. This is up to you. You can choose the first one or second one, third one. I am choosing the first one, allow all comments. This is, I think, correct. You can keep it. Short white top, that is okay. Now I will click the next button, which is the bottom right corner. So I will click on the next button. After that, we will get the another page, that is, just wait, it is showing. Add subtitles, you don't have to do anything. After that, add end screen. There is a add button at the right hand side, so click on the add button. When we will click on the add button, we will see there is mainly two patterns. One is in the left hand side and one is in the right hand side. Just you can choose the first one or the second one. Just I am choosing the first one. This is this pattern, first pattern. So after that, so this is a pattern which allows one video in the left hand side and the logo is on the right hand side. Okay. Now you can also add some video over here. Just click on the plus button, add element button. From here you can get options, video, playlist and channel. You can choose anyone, any video or any playlist or any channel. So I will just now go for video, any video. So there will be the end screen, then we will go to the add screens portion, then we will click on add. When we will click on add, there will be another option, that is, there will be a plus sign. I can add a card over here. Just click on that. There is options for video, playlist and channel. I will click on video. From here, a lot of videos will be shown as per your choice, which is related to this current video. You can choose another video which will be shown on the right hand top of your video, like this. So this is the necessity of a card. So in this way we can also save this one. So it will be completed. After that, we will click on next button. When we will click on next button, just wait, there will be another option for visibility. Actually, which is related to your, when you will publish this video, that there is three options, that is private, unlisted and public. If you want to publish right now, then you can choose the public one, otherwise you can keep it unlisted. So and not only that, you can schedule the video also. There is another option, that is scheduling. From here you can choose the date, as per your choice. You can date 10th or 11th like this, and from here you can choose time also. what time you want to publish this video. After selecting date and time, you have to click the schedule button, which is the right bottom of the page. I am clicking the schedule button. When schedule button will be clicked on, after that it will be scheduled. So it is showing video is scheduled. It will be on 11th October at 12 am. So in this way your video is already scheduled, and at that time it will be automatically published. So I am closing this one. In this way you can upload the video proper